Hi, in this video we will be talking about the importance of budgeting. Watch this video to the end to delve into Budgeting 101, covering the basics of budgeting and providing actionable tips to manage your finances like a pro. Welcome back to the International CEO. In today's world, financial stability is a goal that many aspire to achieve. However, it's not always easy to navigate the complex waters of personal finance. One of the most crucial tools in achieving financial stability is budgeting. Budgeting empowers individuals to take control of their finances, allowing them to allocate resources wisely, prioritize spending, and work towards their financial goals. In this guide, we'll delve into Budgeting 101, covering the basics of budgeting and providing actionable tips to manage your finances like a pro. Understanding budgeting. At its core, budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how you will spend and save your money. It involves calculating your income, tracking your expenses, and setting limits on your spending in various categories. A budget serves as a roadmap for your financial journey, helping you make informed decisions and stay on track towards your financial objectives. Steps to create a budget. Assess your income. Start by calculating your total income, including wages, salaries, bonuses, and any other sources of revenue. For irregular income, such as freelance work or side gigs, estimate an average monthly income based on past earnings. Track your expenses. Keep a record of all your expenses for at least 1 month. This includes fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance, and loan payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and transportation. Categorize your spending. Organize your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, utilities, debt payments, entertainment, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you may need to make adjustments. Set financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, buying a home, or building an emergency fund. Your budget should align with these goals and help you allocate resources accordingly. Create your budget. Based on your income, expenses, and financial goals, allocate a specific amount of money to each spending category. Be realistic, but also aim to prioritize savings and debt repayment. Use budgeting tools or spreadsheets to keep track of your budget and make adjustments as needed. Tips for effective budgeting. Pay yourself first. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense and prioritize it in your budget. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account or retirement fund as soon as you receive your paycheck. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, such as housing, utilities, and groceries, 30% to wants, such as dining out, entertainment, and travel, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This could involve canceling subscriptions, eating out less frequently, or finding more affordable alternatives for everyday purchases. Build flexibility into your budget by setting aside an emergency fund to cover unforeseen costs without derailing your financial plans. Review and adjust regularly. Your budget should evolve with your changing financial situation and goals. Regularly review your budget, track your spending, and adjust as needed to stay on course towards financial success. Benefits of budgeting. Financial awareness. Budgeting promotes a greater awareness of your financial habits, allowing you to identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions about your money. Goal achievement. By setting clear financial goals and sticking to a budget, you'll be better positioned to achieve milestones such as paying off debt, saving for retirement, or purchasing a home. Reduced stress. Knowing where your money is going and having a plan in place can alleviate financial stress and uncertainty, leading to greater peace of mind. Improved financial health. Budgeting helps you build healthy financial habits, such as living within your means, avoiding debt, and prioritizing savings, leading to improved overall financial well-being. Advanced budgeting strategies and techniques. Zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is a method where every dollar of income is assigned a specific purpose, with no money left unallocated. This approach forces you to give every dollar a job, whether it's for expenses, savings, or debt repayment. By budgeting down to zero, you can ensure that every aspect of your financial plan is accounted for and optimized. Envelope system. The envelope system is a cash-based budgeting method where you allocate specific amounts of cash to different spending categories and store them in labeled envelopes. Once the money in an envelope is spent, you cannot spend any more in that category until the next budgeting period. This system helps curb overspending and encourages mindful spending within each category. Bi-weekly or weekly budgeting. Instead of budgeting on a monthly basis, consider breaking down your budget into bi-weekly or weekly increments, especially if you receive income on a more frequent basis. This can help you manage your cash flow more effectively and stay on top of your finances throughout the month. There are numerous budgeting apps and online tools available that can help you track your expenses, categorize spending, set financial goals, and visualize your progress. Consider multiple income streams. In today's gig economy, many individuals have multiple sources of income beyond their primary job. If applicable, incorporate all sources of income into your budgeting process, whether it's freelance work, rental income, investment dividends, or passive income streams. Set aside a portion of your budget each month into a sinking fund specifically designated for these expenses, so you're prepared when they arise. Adjust for seasonal variations. Some expenses may fluctuate throughout the year due to seasonal factors. For example, heating costs may increase in the winter, while travel expenses may peak during the summer months. Anticipate these variations in your budget and adjust your spending accordingly to avoid financial strain during peak seasons. Track your net worth. In addition to budgeting, regularly track your net worth, the difference between your assets, such as savings, investments, and property, and your liabilities, such as debt and loans. Monitoring your net worth over time provides a holistic view of your financial health and progress towards your long-term financial goals. Practice mindful spending. Mindful spending involves being intentional and deliberate about how you allocate your financial resources. Before making a purchase, ask yourself whether it aligns with your values, priorities, and long-term goals. By cultivating mindful spending habits, you can avoid impulse purchases and make more informed financial decisions. Celebrate milestones. As you progress on your financial journey and achieve milestones such as paying off debt, reaching savings goals, or increasing your net worth, take time to celebrate your achievements. Recognizing your progress and accomplishments can motivate you to stay committed to your financial plan and continue making positive strides. Challenges and solutions. While budgeting is a powerful tool for managing finances, it's not without its challenges. Unexpected expenses. Unexpected expenses can derail even the most carefully crafted budget. To address this challenge, build an emergency fund to cover unforeseen costs without disrupting your budget. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, there may be a temptation to increase your spending proportionally, leading to lifestyle inflation. Combat lifestyle inflation by sticking to your budget, prioritizing savings and investments, and reassessing your financial goals regularly. Overspending. Overspending occurs when you exceed your budgeted amounts in certain categories, leading to financial strain. To prevent overspending, track your expenses diligently, identify areas of weakness, and adjust your budget as needed to stay within your means. Debt accumulation. High levels of debt can impede your financial progress and limit your ability to achieve your goals. If you're struggling with debt, prioritize debt repayment in your budget and consider strategies such as debt consolidation, balance transfers, or negotiating lower interest rates to accelerate your journey towards debt freedom. Lack of discipline. Maintaining discipline and sticking to a budget requires ongoing effort and commitment. Surround yourself with a supportive community of friends or family members who can help keep you accountable. Advanced strategies for long-term financial success. Invest wisely. Once you have established an emergency fund and paid off high-interest debt, consider investing your surplus funds to grow your wealth over the long term. Explore various investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risk and maximize returns. If you're new to investing, seek guidance from a financial advisor or do thorough research to make informed investment decisions aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Continuously educate yourself. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, with new strategies, products, and trends emerging regularly. Stay informed and continuously educate yourself about financial literacy topics such as investing, tax planning, retirement planning, and estate planning. Attend seminars, workshops, or webinars, read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts to expand your knowledge and make smarter financial choices. Focus on income growth. While budgeting helps manage expenses, increasing your income is equally important for achieving financial success. Look for opportunities to boost your earning potential through career advancement, acquiring new skills, pursuing higher education or certifications, starting a side business or freelancing, or investing in income-generating assets. Prioritize activities that lead to long-term income growth and financial stability. Review and optimize regularly. Financial circumstances can change over time due to factors such as career transitions, family changes, economic fluctuations, or unexpected events. Regularly review and optimize your budget, investment portfolio, insurance coverage, and financial plan to ensure they remain aligned with your current goals and circumstances. Be proactive in making adjustments as needed to stay on track towards your desired financial outcomes. Plan for retirement. Retirement planning is an essential aspect of long-term financial success. Start saving for retirement as early as possible and contribute consistently to retirement accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, or employer-sponsored pension plans. Take advantage of employer matching contributions and tax-advantaged retirement savings options to maximize your retirement nest egg. Calculate your retirement needs based on your desired lifestyle and anticipated expenses, and adjust your savings rate accordingly to achieve your retirement goals. Protect your assets. Safeguard your financial well-being by implementing risk management strategies to protect your assets and income against unforeseen events. This may include purchasing adequate insurance coverage such as health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, and liability insurance. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure they provide adequate protection and consider additional coverage as needed to mitigate potential risks. Budgeting is a foundational component of personal finance, but achieving long-term financial success requires a multifaceted approach that goes beyond budgeting alone. Remember, financial success is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Stay committed to your financial goals, adapt to changing circumstances, and seek professional guidance when needed to navigate complex financial decisions effectively. With persistence and a proactive mindset, you can secure your financial future and enjoy a life of financial freedom and abundance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.